Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Mr. Smart Phasey podcast, where we help you learn English in a simple, friendly, and fun way. I'm Mia.
Hello, Mia, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It feels great to be back. How are you today?
I'm doing really well, thank you, and I'm super excited because today's topic is something almost every English learner struggles with.
Oh, really? Now I'm curious. What are we talking about?
We're talking about a very common problem. I understand English, but I can't speak it.
Ah, yes, I hear this almost every day. People say, I can understand movies, I can follow conversations, but when I try to talk, my mind becomes empty.
Exactly. The brain suddenly goes blank. But don't worry, today we'll share practical and simple tips to help our listeners speak confidently.
Perfect. Before we start, a small request. If you enjoy our podcast, please hit the like button and subscribe. It helps our channel grow and helps more students find us.
Yes, thank you so much for your support. Now let's begin.
Okay, Mia, first question. If someone understands English, isn't that enough?
Understanding is great, but most learners only listen passively. They hear English while cleaning, driving, cooking, but they don't repeat anything.
So, what is the solution?
Practice active listening. This means you listen and speak. One great method is called shadowing.
Shadowing, like following someone's shadow.
Yes, you listen to a video or podcast and try to repeat the speaker's words, either at the same time or right after.
That sounds hard.
It is at first, so start small. Listen, pause, repeat.
That's easy enough, and it helps my mouth get used to the sounds, right?
Exactly. It teaches your ears and tongue to work together.
Okay, what's next?
You need a short part of your day where you think only in English.
Only think in English? That sounds tough.
It feels strange at first, but it works. Talk to yourself in simple English about daily activities.
Like, I'm cooking now, I need a glass, where is the salt?
Exactly. Just describe what you're doing. 5 minutes a day is enough.
Nice. My English brain will wake up slowly.
Mama, so times I stop speaking because I can't find the right word. What do I do then? That's why you should learn chunks, short phrases, instead of individual words.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, instead of learning interesting, learn the phrase, that's interesting. Instead of explain, learn, let me explain.
Oh, I see. These chunks help me speak faster without thinking too much.
Yes, they're like ready-made Lego pieces for conversation.
Personally, I always say I'm too busy. What do we tell them?
Speak for just 5 or 10 minutes each day. Small daily practice is better than 2 hours once a week.
Just like exercise, a little every day keeps you fit.
Exactly. You're building a speaking muscle.
Okay, but who do I talk to if I have no partner?
Talk to your phone. Use the voice recorder.
Oh no, I hate listening to my own voice.
Everyone feels that way. But it's powerful. Record yourself answering simple questions like, how was my day?
So I become my own coach.
Exactly. You'll hear what you are good at and what you need to improve.
What if I want to practice real life English?
Do role plays. Pretend you're at the airport, in a restaurant, at a shop, and act it out.
Like, hello, sir, what would you like to eat?
I'd like a pizza, please.
Perfect. It trains your brain to respond quickly.
Now the scary part, mistakes. People fear them so much. Yes, but here's the truth. Mistakes help you improve.
So they're not something bad.
Not at all. They show that you are trying. Fluency comes after making many mistakes, never before.
Wow, that really changes how I think. So the goal is communication, not perfection.
Exactly. If the other person understands you, you succeeded.
And the final tip.
Practice replying fast. Speaking is not just listening, it's listening and reacting.
How do I practice that?
Use AI chat, talk to a friend, or do quick Q&A practice. Train your brain to answer quickly, not perfectly.
I love that. Active listening, active thinking, and active responding.
You got it. That's the full system.
Let's summarize.
Shadowing, listen and repeat. English mode, think in English. Learn chunks. Speak daily. Record yourself. Role play real situations. Mistakes are your friends. Practice responding.
Thank you all for joining us today. If this helped you, please like the episode and subscribe so you don't miss our next podcast.
And tell us in the comments, which tip will you try first? We love reading your answers.
And until next time, keep practicing and keep speaking.
Bye-bye, everyone.